Scott with JSA Foundation Repair. We are in Powder Springs, Georgia. We've got a lot of equipment out here raising up a foundation of a wall that has split right down the middle. And down at the bottom where that brick hammer is, behind it, there's a huge gap and then split all the way down above there. I'm gonna get in here and show we've got 5 pilings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna put one more on the very end. But as you can see, there is a huge gap right here and then a gap here. That's missing mortar, and they actually put an angle iron right there. We're just gonna close this gap right here from there to there. So Josh, if you'll crank that machine, we'll show this lift down here. I want to show this bottom first. And now the top's coming up too. All right. Right there. And I'll cut this one off. Camera, we're going to press that pipe down now. Now we're back to the regular position. We'll do the necessary mortar work at the end. Josh, there you go. I don't know if you hear me. And we'll do the necessary mortar work and do another video at the end and show all of this work one more time. This is Scott with JSA Foundation Repair. This is the after part, all cleaned up. Mortar is really new looking because there's dirt that's over time stained the brick. It is the exact mortar color of that, but it will match over time. All the landscaping's back, all the cracks closed up, all the way to the top and at the bottom. Just wanted to say another quality job done by JSA.